Hi guys, so welcome back to my first ever video. Sorry that I done that on Super Portugal and some really other. I'm modest. I needed to do it first time, but I failed it. And I'm going to be showing you how to get this and what box it gives you. So, yeah, like you need to play for it. It took me around for just like a few days to get this, and it's actually very easy to get it. I just was quite near. I didn't know there was codes for it, and just so like what I did is I just buffed up my stats, and then I just got the very fast, and then I got through my day and realized that you can literally use codes, and this gives you plus 50 speed and plus 75 jump power, and this also is just way better if like you want to get stuff, and you can also like if you see this is it's thing, I'm pretty sure like 100k, and then but I started off with that, give me quite a lot, then I got down there like just like quite easy, and then so yeah, that's basically it. Then I'm just going to show you a few Easter eggs in this game. So basically you can, there's this Pennywise, there's this Pennywise Easter egg, and then if you do, you can just do it if you're like quite good and you just try hard. It's like, how come you don't have to use this? Ooh, that's good. Next video is going to, it turns out the next video is going to be just sitting here for an hour and see how much I get. Check out 15 minutes. So I'm just going to be sitting here and bye.